Hello everyone! Today we're making a classic Japanese dish called Nikujaga. It's a fundamental dish in Japanese cuisine made with essential ingredients. It offers a balanced intake of both vegetable and meat and has a gentle, comforting taste. It's a very simple yet delicious recipe, so I highly encourage you all to try it out. Let's get cooking! First off, let's talk about the ingredients. Beef or pork, 250 gram. For today, we've got two types of beef. Potatoes, 4 to 5 medium size. Onion, 1 medium size. Carrot, 1 medium size. Shirataki, 1 bag. Sugar, 2.5 tablespoons. Mirin, 2.5 tablespoons. Sake, 2.5 tablespoons. Dashi broth, 300 milliliters or 300 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon of granulated Japanese-style stock. Soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. Laying out all your ingredients on a tray or the like can really streamline the cooking process. Let's get started. First, peel the potatoes. If there are any eyes on the potato, you can remove them now. To prevent browning and to remove starch, soak the sliced potato in water. For medium-sized potatoes like ours, it's recommended to cut them into 4 chunks as they can break apart easily while cooking. Next, peel and roughly chop the carrot. Slice the onion into big chunks, keeping in mind they'll shrink when cooked. Drain the shirataki noodles too. Then mix your seasonings. 2.5 tablespoons sugar, 2.5 tablespoons sake, 2.5 tablespoons mirin, and a dashi mixture. If you are using liquid dashi, use 300 ml of that. We made a slight mistake with our container size, so we'll adjust the water quantity as we cook. Keep the soy sauce ready as we are using it later. Now, let's start frying. Add 1 tablespoon of solid oil and fry the potatoes, onions, and carrots until the potatoes turn slightly transparent. Once they do, add the seasonings mixture and the remaining water. Simmer on medium heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the meat and simmer flea-free. If any scum appears, skim it off. We used quality meat today, so there wasn't much scum. But if you see some, remove it. This scum contains bitter compounds, which can ruin the taste of the dish. Once you've removed the scum, add the shirataki noodles and the soy sauce. Simmer on medium-low heat for 15 minutes. Once the potatoes are tender and the liquid has reduced, turn off the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to further seep into the ingredients. I know it's tempting, but trust me, it's worth the wait. After 10 minutes, it's done! Now, let's plate it. Arrange the carrots at the front for a pop of color. If you have snow peas or green peas, you can add them for an extra touch of vibrancy. And there we have it. The potatoes have absorbed the flavors beautifully, and it looks super appetizing. To recap, first, be careful not to cut the potatoes and onions too small. Second, if any scum surfaces, remove it thoroughly. Third, after cooking, let it sit for 10 minutes. I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial on how to make Nikujaga. I'm sure if you follow the steps, you will get an amazing dish that everyone will love. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. It helps us a lot. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!